Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can create a karaoke video on CapCut. So just choose any background you'd like. I just chose this plain black background, and then I'm just going to press add audio, and I'm just going to add in the instrumental audio. I'm just going to extract it from a video. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to press text, add text. Unfortunately, you have to write down the lyrics one by one or just like copy and paste it. I'm just going to write a random lyric. Sorry. Just going to resize it. And I'm just going to add more. Something like that. Then I'm just going to change the font. You don't have to, but I like this font. Then I'm going to go to animation. And then I'm just going to scroll until you find, where is it? Oh, I'm in out, sorry. This one, which is the karaoke one, and this is the duration, so just adjust it to the song. This makes it go faster and this makes it go slower, like so. And then just press the check mark button. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!